Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert photo into pencil sketch in Photoshop. So first you can see that I already add an image. So here it is. So first you need to create another layer. I created another layer. So you simply need to select that and click on Ctrl I on your keyboard. Once you invert that, you simply need to click here. It's blending mode from normal to color dodge. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to click here and click on hue and saturation and change saturation from 0 to -100 and select the layer background copy that you created. Go on to the type that is filter, click on blur and select Gaussian blur. Okay, and here you need to play around like this to like the final results that you want. So I think that's look more real. Click on OK, and this is the final result you can see. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.